Yes. And aside from that, I want to prove that I deserve that crown.
Thank you very much, Rose. Forward, please, as the judges punch in the final scores. And finally, can we welcome candidate number 7 from SK Danao, Candy. She's our Rotary Santa Cruzan Reina Elena last summer. Okay, very lovely indeed. Sit down, please. Are you nervous? Gikulbaan ba ka, Candy?
A little bit, but I can handle it.
Okay. Social. Okay, so, what's the name of advocacy, Candy?
Well, our project in our barangay is called the Save the Mother Earth Project. It involves a weekly visit of our SK chapter in Danao Elementary School, which is the school in our barangay. In this visit, we will distribute educational aids that will help the youth to be aware on their responsibility in how to save our Mother Earth. My project is realistic, but this is not expensive, so this will really help the youth in our barangay. That's all. Thank you.
So thank you very much. Okay, are you ready for your final question?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, you have no other choice but to answer this final question. Okay, Candy, the final question is, what are you most proud of as a Panglawanon and why? Again, what are you most proud of as a Panglawanon? Why? Are you ready?
As a Panglawanon, I am most proud that Panglao is the jewel tourism of Bohol. Aside from the beautiful beaches, the white sandy beaches of Panglao, the people are very religious and hospitable. Proudly claim that Panglao is God's little paradise. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Step forward, please, for your final score, Miss Candy. Okay, just be careful. I know you can handle it. Thank you very much. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that wraps up the semi-final round. And at this point, are you ready for another entertaining number? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for... Kinsa may kutawagon? That's me, the MC. Please welcome from ABS-CBN's Pinoy Big Brother Teen Edition 2010, Big 4, Ivan Groshner. As he celebrates our lovely girls. Alright, Ivan, please, let's give him a big round of applause, please. Ivan, please acknowledge everyone and give us your latest projects.
Well, muna, gandang po sa inyong lahat. At ang saya naman po dito. Ang daming tao Mukhang nag-susportahan ko kayo ng mga contestants nyo. Actually, mamaya na yun. Hi sa mga judges. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. Bro. Miss. Siya talaga na. Okay yun, okay. Muna, kakatapos lang po ang Good Vibes po namin sa ABS-CBN. Yung show po namin pagtapos ng ASAP Rocks. Medyo sad kasi it was my first show and I know it's over na, pero sana meron pa naman para matutuwa po kayo sa ginagawa ko. Ayun, and I guess I'm doing a play. Ako yung isang Prince Charming sa play ng Snow White. Nagtutour kami sa ibang lugar, pero siguro sa Manila lang, sa mga provinces lang dun. Pero sana pag nabalitan po kayo ng show po namin, sana puntahan nyo po. Kasi sobrang saya, sobrang nakaka-enjoy yung mga tao. Sabi nila. Okay, and actually I could sing one more song para isang pagtao na may mahabang buhok Hi, Miss. Would you like to come up on stage with me? Okay lang ba yan? Okay, please play the music. Ay, sorry po, sorry. Wait. Ba't wala siya dyan sa stage? Kaya naman niya, diba? Bro, kaya naman niya mag-compete sa beauty competition.